With its hydraulic controls and powerful cutting wheel, the SP7015 TRX can reach deep into the ground, making sure no trace of the stump remains. It's built to handle commercial-scale work, offering both speed and precision, saving operators time and energy. Its versatility and cutting-edge design make it a go-to machine for any serious stump grinding operation. The CBI 6400 CT is a high-performance mobile wood chipper and grinder designed for handling large volumes of material with ease. Its robust construction and advanced technology allow it to process logs, whole trees, and even construction debris into uniform chips or mulch. With its efficient engine and customizable settings, the 6400 CT is known for delivering high productivity and reduced downtime. This grinder stands out for its power, durability, and ability to tackle demanding jobs with ease. The Vermeer HG 6800 TX is a powerful horizontal grinder designed for large-scale wood waste and land-clearing operations. With a 950 horsepower engine, this machine excels in processing massive amounts of debris, logs, and brush efficiently. Its tracked undercarriage provides exceptional mobility on rough terrain, making it suitable for challenging forestry and land-clearing sites. The Barretto hydraulic stump grinder with a 31 GP engine is a robust machine built for efficiently removing stumps of all sizes. Its hydraulic system allows for precise control, making stump removal smoother and faster. The 31 GP engine provides ample power, ensuring the grinder can tackle tough, deep-rooted stumps with ease. Known for its reliability and user-friendly design, this stump grinder is ideal for both professional landscapers In California's dense forests, a professional logger embarks on a mission to fell colossal, ancient trees. Each towering giant falls with precision as he expertly maneuvers his chainsaw, controlling the direction of the fall. Every cut demonstrates years of experience, turning a challenging task into a smooth process. Tree after tree, the logger tackles these massive redwoods and sequoias with calm efficiency. His skill allows him to work swiftly yet safely, leaving the surrounding area undisturbed. It's a display of mastery, a seasoned logger conquering nature's giants with ease. A large tree transplanter is a specialized machine designed to relocate fully grown trees with minimal damage to their root systems. It uses hydraulic spades that dig deep around the tree, carefully uprooting it, along with a large root ball. The tree is then lifted and transported to its new location, ensuring a smooth replanting process. A skilled tree worker climbs a massive white oak tree with a diameter of 1 meter, expertly using ropes to secure himself as he ascends. With precision, he begins cutting the tree section by section, starting from the top. Each cut piece is carefully lowered to the ground using a controlled rope system, ensuring safety and minimizing damage to the surroundings. His mastery of the ropes and saw is evident as he moves swiftly and efficiently. The white oak, though large and imposing, is taken down piece by piece with remarkable care and expertise. WBC 900XL brush chipper is a powerful machine designed for handling tough brush and branches up to 9 inches in diameter. Its high-efficiency drum system shreds the material quickly, turning large piles of brush into manageable wood chips. This robust chipper is ideal for tree care professionals who need reliable performance in the field. With its durable build and efficient chipping capabilities, it significantly reduces time spent on clearing projects. The WC 2300 XL. Whole tree chipper is an exceptional machine designed for heavy-duty chipping of whole trees and large branches. With its powerful engine and advanced feed system, it efficiently processes trees up to 23 inches in diameter, making it an invaluable asset for forestry operations and land clearing projects. This chipper boasts a high-capacity cutting drum and a robust design, ensuring durability and reliability in challenging environments. Its ease of use and efficient performance allow operators to convert massive amounts of biomass into manageable wood chips quickly, streamlining the clearing process and enhancing productivity. 1425. With a cutting capacity of up to 12 inches in diameter, this machine excels in processing both branches and whole trees, making it perfect for contractors and tree care professionals. In this thrilling footage, a team of tree removal experts tackles a massive ancient tree with the assistance of a towering crane. As the saw slices through the trunk, the colossal tree begins to lean, revealing the impressive precision of the crew. Once severed, the heavy-duty crane swoops in to lift the tree safely, showcasing the seamless coordination between human skill and machinery. This dynamic operation highlights not just the strength of the crane, but also the expertise of the team in handling such a monumental task without causing damage to the surrounding environment. This captivating video showcases a dedicated tree crew as they ascend a towering 40-meter tree, demonstrating remarkable skill and agility. Armed with ropes and saws, the workers expertly climb to the crown of the tree, methodically cutting branches and sections of the trunk. As each piece is removed, safety cables are employed to ensure a controlled descent, minimizing the risk of falling debris. The video emphasizes the team's commitment to safety and precision, turning a potentially hazardous operation into a well-orchestrated event. Each cut is a testament to their experience and professionalism in handling towering trees.